Hi. No, video.
Ryan,
Sisi. Oh,
She's little. Hi.
you're so beautiful. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you? Oh, you have a cat also. Dog. Hello. So yeah, today we in my friend's house because few weeks ago I tried the best brownies in my life and I asked for recipe and my friends invite me over to cook it together. So let's cook it together with you. First you need to preheat oven to 190 degrees and grease baking tin. Put a bowl over a pan of hot water, 200 grams of butter and 300 grams of chocolate. Slowly melt it together in the bowl. About teaspoon of baking powder, add to 75 grams of flour and mix it together. Then in 30 milliliters of hot water, dissolve teaspoon of cocoa powder and teaspoon of instant coffee. Put in the bowl 3 eggs, mixed cocoa coffee liquid, sugar 200-150 grams, vanilla extract 5 milliliters, and teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Make sure that melted chocolate coat enough and add it to mixer. Fold in flour and chocolate chips. And then pour the mixture into the prepared tin. Bake in the preheated oven for about 40-45 minutes. Our brownies is ready. Enjoy!
Ryan, let's
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Ciao.